Why cybersecurity training should be part of every professional's career plan. Digital technology is everywhere today. Basically, everything we do is online. Most businesses have also shifted to an online.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Online environment. Even schools have started online teaching. The digital system has allowed all of us to get access to anything we need no matter where we are. You could be sitting on a sandy beach and still doing your regular job thanks to the power of digital. But there's also risk that comes with it. With everything online, there's a threat of data breach and cyber attacks. No matter your job, you're still exposed to the scams lurking online. Your work-related data could easily get stolen or misused. You could lose confidential or sensitive data and find yourself in a real mess. So what can we do to prevent this? Good question. It's important to understand how cybersecurity. To understand why it's important. Every professional should be aware of potential cyber threats. They need relevant training to get all the tips and information. That's why it's important to include cybersecurity training as part of your career plan. Let's talk more in the next lines. The increasing number of cybersecurity threats. In the last couple of years, there have been so many cybersecurity attacks. These threats are more complex and difficult to recognize, especially for someone who's not that experienced with online things. Small businesses are more frequently exposed. Approximately 46% of cyber attacks affect smaller businesses. That makes total sense as often these don't invest that much time in educating their employees. But all of these have something in common. They all begin with a human mistake. Usually employees don't see the threat right away and they click a malicious link that they got in an email. That's when it all goes downhill. One click is enough to put an entire company in danger. That's exactly why employees need to be educated and learn the basics of email security best practices. A lot of employees lack the basic knowledge of how spam and malicious emails work. And email is just part of it. As an employee, you should also be careful about what you click online and how you handle private and company data. You can get all of this information in a proper training session. Why working professionals need training? Still not convinced you need proper training? We've listed some examples that will definitely make you churn your mind. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. We can't simply say, I'm not a specialist, it's not my problem. Cybersecurity is everybody's problem. We all need to put in the effort to protect data and stop cyber attacks. We can't just let HR and the IT department handle the issue alone. As employees, we need to ensure we are also taking the matter seriously. Each individual shares some responsibility. For instance, as an employee, you need to know how to create a strong password or how to recognize a spammy email immediately. You also need to be careful about data exposure. This just goes to show that we all need to practice cyber hygiene. We are all part of the same digital ecosystem and we share the responsibility in keeping it clean. Proper training strengthens career resilience. The job industry is transforming so fast. As a professional, you need to make sure you're ready to keep up with what the future is bringing. If you sharpen your cybersecurity skills, you're already on a good path. Remote work increases the threat. As mentioned, nowadays most of us have the chance to work online and remotely. Although that's a big benefit and makes our lives easier, it does come with a risk. This has led to an increased number of cyber attacks and risks. and that's because employees were given the option to work remotely. That means most of us connect through unsecured networks or use unauthorized apps. All of this leads to higher risks. Proper training can come in handy as we can basically learn how to create a safe and secure home office. There are common pitfalls to avoid, and we can learn all of this in a comprehensive training session. Cybersecurity as a core competency. Just as soft skills, communication, writing, etc., cybersecurity knowledge will also become a core skill for employees. Companies will expect candidates to show an understanding of safe operations in a digital environment. You can easily include your cybersecurity training in your CV and you'll already have an upper hand. That'll show your employer that you are aware of the importance of data security and that you'll be able to handle the sensitive data safely.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.